Yeah, she my dog. She was born. She's a year old tomorrow. What? What? You're a year old? Yeah, my dog. Hold on now. Hold on. Not my dog. Bentley. Bentley, you're a year old almost. Yeah. They've been in the house for hours. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, come on, dogs. Come on. Come on. Go on, go potty. Go potty. You know you gotta go potty. Go on, go potty. I pottied in the couch. I know you did. Leave that couch alone. I just got this couch. Leave that couch alone, little girl. You better go potty. Go on, go potty. Go on, go potty. Go on. Bentley. Go on, go potty. I'm a dog. Go on, go potty. Little girl, you're something. Yeah, I see why you were my first pick. That's a good potty. Thank you, Bentley. Thank you. Look, he's not raising his leg yet, but he's pottying. Yeah, my dog. Yeah. Yeah. All right, look, little girl, I'm going to go let the other dogs out now. You okay? You okay? All right, hold on, hold on, hold on. Here I go. Here I go. Go on. Go on. Here I go. You know, older dogs, they don't have to stay in the kennel when I go away, kind of thing. I just, I put them in this back room. Yeah. My dogs. My dogs. My dogs. What? Come on, come on, come on, Duke. Come on, Duke, you beast. Come on, let's go. Come on, Curly. Come on, Cassie. Back up off my door. Go on. Back up off my door. Curly, go on. Duke. Go on. Duke. Sit down, Duke. He's like, who, me? I'm not sitting down. All right, come on. Come on. Go on, go potty. Little girl. Go on, go potty. Casey, Curly. That's a good potty, Casey. Thank you. Curly. Go potty. That's a good potty. Thank you. That's a good potty. Thank you, Casey. What? Duke went down that way with little girl. Look at him come back. My dog. Little girl. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, you potty down there? That's a good potty. Yeah, yeah. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, that's a good potty. Yeah, that's a good potty. Thank you, Bentley. Bentley, that's a good potty. All right, well, look at Duke. Duke, he's down there. He's doing the number 2. Come on. All right, well, I didn't mean this to drag on, but I just wanted to show you, like, kind of, this is everyday kind of thing. Especially when I come home. Especially when I come home after being gone a few hours. What? Yeah. When's the last time? I left, you know, I left probably at 8. I'm guessing it's 5 now. So, yeah. So, yeah. Bentley. Little girl. Calm down. Bentley. All right. Well, I'm glad to be home. Talk to you guys next time.